Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I just wanted to show you guys how to make a peach cream lip gloss. So I have my bowl ready and I have this white pigment from TKB Trading. So this is just plain white. And then we have here our white pearl lip liquid, also from TKB, and that's gonna give it that creamy look. And because I cannot find my peach lip liquid, I'm gonna improvise with this orange, and we're gonna make it light with the white. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my Versagel in my bowl. Today I'm gonna use vitamin E oil and coconut oil, so that's my vitamin E oil. And coconut oil. Now this step is very important. Like, I usually mix my Versagel first before putting in anything, because I want to make sure that it's really mixed in well with the oil, and also that it has a good consistency before I put anything in there. So I think this is good. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my white first. And I'm gonna put in a few drops, maybe 5 to 7 drops. I'm gonna add in my white pearl next. I'm gonna add in about 7 of those as well. And then I'm gonna put in my orange. I'm just gonna put in a little bit because we're making a peach. We're making a peach flavor, so we don't want it to be too orange. So I'm gonna start off with that and see how that comes out. Yeah, I think I might need some more orange actually, because that white is very overpowering. Add in a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit more of my pearl white. See how pretty that is? It's a pretty peach color now. Now sometimes you have to improvise. If you're out of a certain color, or you don't have a color, you gotta think of what colors to mix together to come up with what you want. And that's just how it is sometimes. So this is it. That's my peach. And now I have my peach flavoring. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Oh, it's good now, so I can go ahead and fill my tubes. Like I've said in my other videos, when you're filling your syringe and you hear that noise, you want to push out the air, because that's an air bubble. So when I hear that noise, I push it out, takes out the air bubble, then I go back and I keep, see, that's an air bubble. I keep pushing it out until I get all of it in there. It takes a while, so be patient. I think that's enough. I'm only filling 3 tubes. I think this looks more orange on camera, but it's actually peach. That's it. We have our peach flavored lip gloss. Very easy, very quick, and it looks great on the lips and smells really good too. Let's do a swatch of our peach lip gloss. This is what it's gonna look like. And it looks more white. You can use a lip liner and it will come on like a nudie color. So that's what it looks like. Let me know if you like this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video.